Here's a little iguana friend right in the center. There's a water apple tree. Just pruned. So yeah, baby green iguana. I'm gonna show you the water apple tree. Now 3 years. Prune, taking out the inner branches. And also this jackfruit. Again, 3 years. Topped. All inner branches taken out. And a third jackfruit here. Just pruned. And this one we're going to zoom in to see, for example, all these little branches that were cut off. So we want good airflow, we want short, solid branches. We want it topped to not grow too tall. And so this is the jackfruit. I've been pruning the jackfruits pretty much every other month throughout the rainy season to keep them short, compact, and open. And this is the other one. It's silhouette, as you can see. No.